Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I hope you are okay. How's everything, ya shabab?
الحمد لله.
Alhamdulillah. I hope that will be something eternal. Okay, before we start, I would like to thank all of you who actually shared their results from the previous session. I mean, the ones who did the homework. Okay, and I hope the rest of the students will do their homework in the future, inshallah. Because actually, guys, the homework is so important because it gives you just or makes your information about the topic of the session still alive in your head. And this will help you a lot when you just start your um, actual sessions, inshallah, next year. As you all know, ya shabab, today, inshallah, before I start, who is going to guess about the today's session topic? What do you think the topic of today will be?
Absolutely, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Inshallah, I will send you a file of the topics of every session. After the session, inshallah, you will find the topics for every sessions in this file. Okay, so you can prepare yourselves and just prepare any questions you would like to ask about before the session. All right, so this will be the file that I'm going to send, inshallah, after the session. Okay, this is the fifth session. Today's topic will be short answer reading. Okay, it will be short answer reading. And next session will be formal and informal writing. This is the email writing, and inshallah, there will be lots of exercise, lots of explanation about how to write a formal and informal email for Cambridge and also a letter for Oxford. So let's start today. Today will be more of application than of explanation. All right. Today will be more of application. I will give you some questions from previous examinations, and we will answer them exactly as the instructions from the examiners from the board say. But before that, I will explain how to do this in details. All right. As you all know, ya shabab, this session will be about mastering question one, your IGCSE ESL short answer guide. This is a guide for how to answer question number one for uh, Cambridge 0511. Cambridge 0511. So, quickly, these are the steps in order to answer the questions in number or question number one paper or reading paper. And this is very important because lots of students or many students prefer to write an answer which has the correct and the exact answer inside or within the words you have already written. They write the correct words, but the examiner needs only to see one or two words. So the technique today is to make you able to refine, to minimize the number of words into 1 or 2 or maximum 3 words. Okay, we have already before spoken about the how to skim and how to scam, all right, in order to get the information needed from the text according to the question, all right. But today the skill is how to make the answer or to include as fewer vocabularies or words in your answer as you can. Okay, and also how to paraphrase the different words in order to be put in the answer place instead of just copying and taking the answer from the text. Okay, so the first thing is you have to read the question first. Reading the question first gives you an let's say gives you a big idea about which things are you going to search for in the text. So before reading the text, underline keywords, names, dates, places in the questions. And we all know exactly that this is a very important and a crucial point and crucial part and very important part in your answering stages. The second step is to scan the text for clues. Don't read every word, look for keywords or their synonyms to find information quickly. We have already did lots of exercises regarding the scanning and skimming before. The third one is reading the exact sentence. Once you find the information, read the whole sentence carefully to understand the context. Write a short, clear answer. This part or this section or this step, number 4, the most important part of our session today. Short and clear answer. Use only the necessary information and aim for 1 to 5 words. But 1 to 5 words, in my opinion, is not. This is exactly what the examiner put in the specifications, 1 to 5 words. But later, these specifications were modified to be 1 to 3 words. 1 to 3 words. But if the answer is 1 word, will that be okay? Of course, 100%. If the answer is 2 words, will that be okay? Of course, 100%. So from 1 to 3 words, not 5 words. So what are the common mistakes and the tips you have to follow in order to get a good mark in this question or in this exercise? So number 1 is to avoid copying long sentences from the text. Okay? For example, if the question is, where are you from? Where are you from? Can anybody give me an answer? Huh?
Can I?
Yeah, go on.
My answer should be straightforward, so I should say Egypt.
Of course, yes. Some students say, I am from Egypt, and then start the sentence with I capital and then end the sentence with full stop. Normally speaking, this is a very exact answer and a very good one. But for today, for exercise number 1, no need for all these words. So, where are you from? Egypt. This is the thing that the examiners need. All right? So, as you all know, ya shabab, this is the simplest question and the simplest answer. But inshallah, when I show you the exact exam text and the questions, you will find that it is not that easy to get at least 3 words to give your answers. So you have, or this is a skill, and you have to train yourselves, exercise or practice a lot in order to be able to be perfect in that one or in that skill. This is number 1. So avoid copying long sentences from the text. This is the most common error students make. Number 2, avoid giving your personal opinion or vague answers. Answers must be based only on facts from the text. Your own opinion, your own speculations, your own ideas or thinking that needs to be applied in the future. No need for all of that. No need for all of that. So you need only to copy something from the text, or to take information from the text and put that in the space provided for the question. Okay? Do paraphrasing using only necessary words. Examiners look for brief, accurate answers. Do check your spelling and grammar. Even short answers must be clear and spelled correctly. Okay? No need to write Egypt, for example, in wrong spelling. So the spelling is important. The spelling is very important. Okay? So what about the advice I need to give you in order to start the practice right now? Find, think, paraphrase, and write. Remember this simple process for every short answer question. Short answer, short response. Short answer, short response. If one word answers the question, one word is enough. As I told you, if the answer is only one word is enough. Okay, شباب? Hello?
Okay.
Thank you. So, inshallah, I'm going to can anybody just help me answer this one? Short answers should be...
Can I?
Yeah,
Nice.
of course, go on.
Okay. A short answer could be a short and direct.
And direct. Okay. Next one.
Can I?
Yeah. Okay, go on.
Excuse me, sir, can I?
Use what to find answers? Keywords.
Keywords. Use keywords to find answers. Number 3.
May I?
Yeah, go on.
Paraphrasing. It means like changing words.
Yeah, of
So,
course.
no,
Sorry?
exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, changing words. Changing words. Okay.
Sir, can
Yeah. Go on.
purchase means buy.
Purchase means buy. All right.
Buy.
So, when you are... Excuse me. Do not answer, please. And do not use the annotations. Do not write on the screen, please. All right. Okay. Do not do that again. Rapid means... Rapid means... Huh? Rapid means...
Fast.
Fast. Your answer using...
A
You
few
answer
words.
using
Few
few
words.
words. Not given means...
Text does not
Text
mention
doesn't mention it.
Yeah, of course. When something is not given, of course,
Joyful.
it is... not given means text does not mention it, or there is no mention of that in the text. Okay, choose synonym for happy.
Joyful.
Joyful. Opposite for noisy.
Quiet.
Quiet. Short answer or in short answers, avoid
Extra words.
Word.
extra words. So exactly these questions summarizes what I have already said in the previous explanation. So let's move on to another part of our session today. Let's move on. Um, can you see my screen يا شباب?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. The first question, what is another term for parkour? The first question, what is another name for parkour? Huh? Can anybody answer me, please?
Can I answer?
Yes, go on.
Okay, so in the second paragraph, he said that the answer is route or journey.
Again.
In the second paragraph, it's said that another name for a parkour is route or journey.
No. Translated. Look, when we answer, ya shabab, we have to be very careful while we are choosing the correct answer. What is another name? Is another term for uh, parkour. Huh? What is another term for parkour?
Free running.
Yes. Huh? What should we write here as an answer? What should we write?
Free running.
Only?
I think it's supposed to be another term for parkour is free running.
Huh? Again?
I think it's
Only
supposed to
free
be
running.
Only free running. Okay. Free running. Will that be written like that or like that?
Together.
Yes, as one word. As one word, because this is written actually as one word in the text. Hello? Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Yes.
So the answer for the first question will be free running as one word. As one word. So this is the correct answer. Some students may write another term for parkour is free running. The answer will be written like that. Do you think that this answer is correct?
No, he just wants a straightforward answer.
Of
It's more
course.
than 5 words also.
It's actually a very logic answer, but this is called long answer. All right. If it
He
is
wants a
in
straightforward answer.
if it is in somewhere else, it's okay. But for exercise 1, it is not a good one. For exercise 1, this answer is not correct. So use as fewer words as you can. The second question. What was the name of the group of friends who started parkour? What was the name of the question? What was the name of the group of friends who started parkour?
Can I answer?
Yes,
Yamakasi.
very good. So this is the answer for the second question. So the answer for the first question will be this word. Okay. The answer for the second question, Yamakasi. This is the answer for the second question. The third question, I need lots of students participate. What was the group instructor's previous job? What was the group instructor's previous job? Huh?
Can I?
Yes.
Circus performer.
Yes, this is circus performer. This is the answer for the third question. Okay, circus performer. The fourth question, which movement did Sebastian try first? Which movement did Sebastian try first? Huh? Huh? Has anyone found the answer?
Swinging.
We practiced swinging from bars, which looks easy, but is the opposite, and did lots of forward and backward rolls, which are useful when you land after a jump. No, this is not the first.
Running on both hands and feet.
Very good. Because here in this sentence, it is said before either of these, before the previous two movements, we spent some time running on both hands and feet. So running on both hands and feet. Type, which the perfect answer will be, or what is the perfect answer?
Running on both hands. Hands and feet.
Very good. So we should omit the word both. So running on hands and feet. Running on hands and feet. Running on hands and feet. How many words? Huh?
4
5.
words.
5 words. 5 words. Okay, but this is not actually the custom number of words needed for every question. As you can see, question 1 is 1 word. Question 2 is 1 word. Question 3 is 2 words. Question 4, 5 words. What about question 5? Question 5. Which object did the group use to practice parkour in the park?
Can
Which
I answer?
object? Yeah.
The answer will be a bench.
Where? In which paragraph?
In the last paragraph, the writer said, "Fortunately, we only practice on a park bench."
Yes. So
But we will
should
write the
we write
answer
a bench or bench only?
Button.
bench only.
Bench only. The word bench without a or whatever comes before it. Okay? So only the word bench. Only the word bench. Okay, يا جماعة? I think now this is a very easy question. This is a very easy question. All right? Huh? What about the last question? The last question in this paper needs you to write down 3 details. How did Sebastian say he benefited from doing parkour? طيب, before answering this question, let's have a quick remark. What did you notice about the different answers?
In chronological order.
Very good. What's your name?
Malak.
سيف الدين.
سيف الدين. ممتاز يا سيف الدين. Thank you. Question 1, then question 2, then the rest of the questions. All right? But will that be the same with question number 6?
No.
Huh?
No,
Let's
maybe in
find the
different
answers.
paragraphs.
Let's find the answers for question number 6 and see if they are all came in order as the in order in paragraphs as the questions or not. So let's answer question number 6. I'm going to change the color. Okay. How did Sebastian say he benefited from doing parkour? I'm going to make it zoom it. Huh.
Sir, the first answer is it was fun.
Where?
In the first paragraph, he said I had great fun. So the answer, I will write it as fun only.
Which line?
The last one.
Okay. Yes. So this is the one of the answers for question number 6. Thank you. What's your name?
Malak.
Malak. Okay, Malak. Thank you.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. What's your name?
Rimas.
Rimas. Okay, Rimas, go on.
In the second paragraph, the last line, he says he felt more confident.
Yes, very good. So more should be written or not?
Mister, can I answer?
No.
Before. La, it should be written more confident. Okay. To make it different from less confident. To make it different from confident only. All right. So the word more gives emphasis that it made you confident of yourself more and more. Okay. So this is the second one. What is the
Mister,
third
can I
one?
answer?
Yeah, of course. What's your name?
Yeah, Judy.
Judy. Go on, yeah, Judy.
So it says I became more aware of safety.
Where is it?
On the third paragraph.
Which line?
1 second. The fifth line.
The fifth line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, more aware of safety. Yes, more aware of safety. So the 6 or question number 6 is completely different from the questions from 1 to 5 because its answer is derived or taken from most of the paragraphs in the text. One answer in paragraph 1 and 2 and 1 in the second paragraph, and 3 or the third paragraph there is also another one. There is also another answer in paragraph number 5 or in the last paragraph number 4. There is also another answer in paragraph number 4.
Can I answer? Can I answer?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, I noticed my ability to balance was starting to improve.
Yes. So what should we write?
The ability to balance, improvement of the ability to balance. Yeah.
Yes, the ability to balance. The ability to balance. Thank you. What's your name?
Judy.
Judy. Okay, Judy. This is another answer. So the answers are taken from all the paragraphs. Okay, يا شباب? You understand exactly what I mean by that?
Yeah.
Great. I'm going to send another exercise on the WhatsApp group right now. Okay. Then I will let you answer this online while I'm online. I'm going to send something now on WhatsApp. So to let you answer it while we are online. Okay, شباب, can you download this paper? Download this paper and start answer all the questions that follow. Have you downloaded it?
Yes.
Okay, start answering,
Yeah.
please. Start your answer, please. Have you started answering يا شباب?
Yes.
Okay. Done يا شباب؟ Hello.
I'm in question 5.
Okay.
I'm done.
Great. How many of you has already finished? How
I
many?
finished.
Okay, Saifuddin.
Me too.
Okay. Okay, who's going to give me the answer for the first question?
Can I?
Yeah.
Okay. How many species of butterfly have been found up to until now?
Mm.
17,500.
Yes. Will it that be written like that? or as a word?
Depending on the text.
17,505.
Both are correct.
Yes, excellent, ya Saif. Okay. Both are correct. Both are correct. It's written in the text in numbers. Yes, it's written in numbers here. All right. But in case of numbers like this one, it's okay to write them as figures or as words. Okay يا شباب. Question number 2, Saif.
They are described as the largest species of butterflies.
Again, number 2, how are Queen Alexandra's bird-wing butterflies described on the red list of threatened species?
38 centimeters long.
Sure?
28 centimeters long.
Sure? Are you sure of your answer?
Yes.
How are Queen Alexander's bird-wing butterflies described on the red list of threatened species?
Can I answer?
Yeah.
They are endangered.
They are endangered. Where is it?
You can find it in the second paragraph.
Yes. Which line?
Wait, let me get it
Yeah.
again. Yeah, here as endangered on the red list.
Okay. But currently appears as endangered on the red list of threatened species. On the red list of threatened species. Look, it's part of the question. Red list of threatened species. So the answer is endangered. Okay, Saif?
Okay.
May I solve the next one?
Before moving on to the next question, you have to find a relationship between the question and the text, which is completely important. Without that, you won't be able to find the exact answer. Okay, who's going to answer?
Me, can I?
What's your name? Ahmed Sharif. Okay, go on.
Okay, why do scientists think Western... What's that word?
Pygmy. Pygmy or pygmy.
Pygmy.
Yeah, it's just a name.
Pygmy blue butterflies are spreading to new locations because they adapt well to different climates.
Let me write what you said.
Because they adapt well to different climates.
Because they... Because they adapt well to the what?
To different climates.
To the different climates.
Two different climates.
Two different climates.
Yeah.
Okay. How many words are written, ya Ahmed?
7 words.
Yeah. Will that be okay?
We should write adapt to climates only.
بس. In Arabic, only. بس. In English, only. Adapt to climates. So we have to remove this. Adapt to climates. 3 words. Okay, Ahmed?
Can we not say adapt to different climates? It's only 4 words.
No need for different. No need for different because you have already written climates. So it's already known that these climates are different according to the text. All right?
Okay.
Question number 4.
Can I?
Yes. Okay, Arimas.
Yeah, it travels the furthest of all.
Travels.
The furthest of all.
Travels the furthest of all. It's actually a good answer. But there are some words that not needed.
Of all.
Yeah.
And also that.
The. No need for that. Travel furthest. That's it. Travel furthest. Okay. Question number 5.
Can I?
Yes, go on. Question number 5.
Mud. Yes, the answer is mud.
The answer is?
Mud.
Mud. Will that be enough?
Yes.
Great. Only one word. Mud. طيب. Let's move on to the last question.
May I again?
Yeah, okay, go on.
Okay, so what features do different butterflies have that protect them from being eaten?
Yeah.
Okay, so large spots.
Large spots.
Yeah,
Next.
also plain color.
Again?
Plain color.
Plain
color.
Yes, plain color.
And toxic chemicals in bodies.
Very good. Toxic
chemicals in bodies.
Chemicals. Only chemicals. Only chemicals. No need for bodies. All right. Toxic chemicals.
Okay.
All right. All right. Do you think that this exercise is a difficult one to answer?
No.
Of course, no. But the skill needs to be practiced more and more. Because of that, after this session, I'm going to send you another exercise. Okay? Will be exactly like the ones that we have already answered today. We have answered 2 exercises. I need you to follow exactly the same strategy I followed while answering and giving the answers for these 2 exercises. Okay, I need you to follow the same strategy as exactly the one followed here to give as fewer words as you can. And if there are some words that are not needed, omit them. Exactly as we did here in exercise or in question number 3. I think Ahmed Sharif has already answered this. Yeah. And also here in question number 4. Okay. 1 word will be okay. 2 words will be okay. Even 5 words. But they must be all crucial, important. All right? Okay, يا شباب?
Okay.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
For me, no.
No.
Yeah.
No.
If anyone has got a question before leaving, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much. For myself, I've enjoyed this session, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. And see you, inshallah, next Friday. And I hope you all the best in your examinations, mid-year examinations. Thank you so much, Shabab, and see you next week, inshallah. All the material for this session will be uploaded on Telegram, and also the video will be uploaded to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and have a nice weekend, and enjoy your days. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're
Goodbye, sir.
welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.